Hey, what's good, family? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Moomoo app and how you can use it to prepare for earnings, see what earnings is coming up, find out about the news for earnings, and really kind of do all the research for that. And we'll make it nice, quick, easy.
Quick break. If you trade options, this one's for you. Moomoo now gives you real-time gamma exposure data free, no extra subscription. So you can see where heavy positioning is before you decide on a strike. I personally use it pretty much every day I trade. It is a game changer. Links in the description. Right now they're giving new users up to $1,000 in NVIDIA, plus an 8.1 APY on all uninvested cash for the first 2 months. Back to the video.
All right, so real quick, looking at it, this is going to be the Moomoo app. If you're not familiar with it, this is where I find my gamma exposure and all the good stuff like that. If you're not familiar with it, this app is absolutely amazing when it comes to research. So coming in, looking at it, there are going to be kind of two sections in this app to do research. First, we have your markets tab. This is going to be where you can really pick your market, whether it's stocks, crypto, options, whether you want to focus in on ETFs or just want an overview of everything. But looking at it, you can see right here on the markets tab, just right here from the beginning, you can see the pre-market movers. You can see the top gainers, your heat list, all this stuff. And what's amazing, something you probably want to check in every day with, especially right now during earnings season, is going to be right here, earnings. All right, so it is July 22nd as I'm recording this. And tomorrow or this week, we got some major earnings. We got Google this week, Tesla this week, Intel this week. Those are going to be some more important earnings to look out for. If we click on this earnings section up here and where this little arrow is to the right, we can actually see in focus, or the estimates in focus, we can see kind of the research. So if we click on Google right here, it takes you to the estimates and kind of the earnings preview. That way you can kind of know what to expect. So right here, looking at it, we can see their earnings call is after hours tomorrow. And even just below it, you can see kind of the AI forecast. All right, so it says Alphabet is forecasted to deliver strong double-digit growth driven by Google's cloud, yada, 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 read it. You can even see the AI institutional ratings. There is not a single person who doesn't think Google is going to beat earnings pretty much. You can read this if you want. You can kind of see the data about the valuation, all that stuff. You can see kind of just this right here. This is valuable. This information about the earnings move. I don't trade stocks coming into earnings, but after earnings, this information is valuable. So just looking at it, you can see the average earnings move, and you can see like right here with the candles, you can see the history. You can see the way it moved. And down below, you can see the expected versus the average move. So you can see July, this time last year, the expected move was up or down almost 6%, but really it moved a lot less. But last quarter, Q1 this year, we were expecting a 5% move, but really it moved almost 10%. So that's things to keep in account and just be aware of. You got different strategies and stuff that, like, if you want to play it, you can. I personally don't like to play earnings. And if I do, I play earnings after earnings, but great place for your research. Now, coming in, if we go back at the top, I like to hit view all. And this is kind of how I plan my week. Whenever I like to trade the SPY, trade the Qs, I like to trade ETFs, and then I like to trade things like Google and Tesla after they announce their earnings. And this kind of just helps me plan, helps me think of, hey, what charts do I need to chart? So looking here, I might want to chart Google, Tesla. I personally don't take interest in Nokia, but since it's up here and kind of with the more notable earnings, I might take a look at it. Intel right here, it's on the list. I can see that it is Thursday after hours. So it's just something I would take a look at, something to consider. All right, so this is going to be one section, one area where you can find some stuff. And then you can also kind of like, if you want to see, hey, how have things been going? Just below, you got this earnings beat section. You can see Netflix beat its earnings. Nike beat its earnings by almost 40%. And you can see how it is performing. You can see what date its earnings was. So if you miss anything about earnings, you got this section right here you can come to. So there's that. And then there's one other place in the app that is going to be, absolutely valuable. Oh wait, real quick before we go to it. You can see the heat map right here. So today I was like, why are the Qs up? What is up? What is holding the market up? If you never know, like, hey, why is the market going up when it seems like nothing's going up? You can come down to this heat map down here and you can see what's going up, what's going down. So we can see today the semiconductors really held the market up. That is why the market is up so green today. Like it was green, but the whole market wasn't green. And if we click on semiconductors, it'll show you everything kind of involved in it. So you really can do all your research in here. And if you want to see, hey, what was up the most, or kind of what has the most volume, you can see NVIDIA had the most volume, Intel, Micron, SK Hynix. You can see that all these stocks are involved in it going up. All right, so that's just another way that you can really get in, do your research, and see what's going on. So when it comes to like, hey, what's going on in the market, what's coming up, I don't know what's going on, you can pretty much find the answer to all that here. All right, and there is one other section of this app that I like to look as well. So if we come over to Discover and look at news, this is another section of this app I absolutely love. So we have headlines. These are going to be more of the major things that are happening throughout the day, or just the major things kind of weighing on the market. Another thing I like to have is latest. This is going to be like, you can swipe up, refresh, is going to be the latest information. And usually if you see something orange here, it's like, hey, really pay attention to that, because that might move something. Like if we scroll down, you can see Oklo, X Energy joined Trump effort to speed new nuclear reactors. Might be something you want to pay attention to in that moment. All right, so if I click on watch list up here, this is going to specifically be towards the stocks in my watch list that are on here. And then this is going to be another way you can get to earnings, just by clicking over here. And then there's also this Moomoo highlights section. Yeah, I don't really know anything about that, but hey, it's there. But anyways, earnings is coming up. Earnings is actually here. Markets behave and move differently during earnings. Just want to make this video for you, just in case you don't know where to do your research, don't know where to find things, and just let you know that that free resource is there with all of that data. So if you enjoyed the video and learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.